According to the Nigerian police press release today, Ogechi Okeke Njaka is under their custody. She was arrested 2 days ago, and now she will be charged to court for so many offenses, according to the information from their office today. She'll be charged for cyberbullying, cyber stalking, obtaining by false pretense, posting of people's nudes online without their consent, posting of illegal NGO something, then a lot of things. The charges were many. And they said that they started looking for her since 2020 stroke 2022 stroke January this year. They apprehended her, according to them. Then the later she jumped bail. Now they apprehended her 2 days ago. Now she's going to face lots and lots of charges against her. So now when I went there, I started reading comments. My dear, the comments there are not encouraging at all. The comments there, they are not encouraging. I begin to wonder, where are those people that used to call her Kalesia? All the people that used to hail her, because I know Ogechi Okeke Njaka, her matter did not start today. In fact, they have done a lot of things on social media. That's why you see me, I don't like saga. I don't like involving myself in saga. You see saga on social media, it will push you into doing so many things. I don't like involving myself. I did it once with Sarah Martins, you know, and I did it for a purpose. But ever since then, I avoid saga, because saga will make you do a lot of things. I know it was saga that made her to start posting people's nudes online. It was saga that made her to say a lot of things that they are now using against her now. But the thing is, if you go to the comment section, the whole people there, they were not saying anything good about her. I can't begin. Where are those people that used to hail her? None of you could even defend her in the comment section. At least the police are reading the comments. They are reading the comments, yeah. All the comments here, they are reading it. So the way a lot of people are saying, yes, so that's good, serve her right, blah, blah, blah. You know, all the comments, nobody is saying anything good about her. Almost everybody in the comment section, we are saying the same thing. So those of you that used to hail her, you guys could not even go in the comment section and defend her. Nobody, una don't they hide because they don't catch her. Una no fit come out, can't defend the person that you guys used to hail, used to appreciate, used to call her names. I heard that somebody gave her morale to come down to Nigeria. You know the kind of content you do. You know you are into saga content. You know you are into this kind of problem with a lot of people. They told you to come down, and you man in Nigeria get a CV. It's not like when you are in the USA, where a lot of things covered, you insurance covered again. Nigeria nothing no way protect again. Your best friend when he keeps to give me self. You understand? Those people you feel like they are your friends, when he can get behind and now you go so give me where he no. They will still come out and pretend as if they are still with you. You know this kind of things. You know the kind of content you do. I thought I expected you to be smarter than this. You came down to Nigeria based on people saying, come down, nothing there happened. And now, charges and charges. Lots and lots of charges against her. Lots. Plenty. Her charges, if they read her here now, she got more again. Plenty charges against her. I just pray God help her out. I don't know who they say wrote petition against her. I said plenty petitions against one person. Plenty. I beg you. Let's just pray that God just give her second chance, because the charges against her are very many. Too many. And the ones I don't like, in all of those charges, you see, releasing someone's noodles online, that one is sign of, I don't know, it's not supposed to get to that point where you release somebody's noodles. People can push you, honestly, because when I did that saga with Sarah, I know what I saw in my inbox. A lot of people were sending me so many things about her, so many things, but I used my head, because there are some things that they can send, you won't be able to defend those things. You understand? They were sending both her enemies and a lot of people, they were sending me a lot of things, of which I was just busy doing the ones I know. If they carry us to go court, I feel defend, because it was like a banter. We were bantering words. She was talking about me, I was talking about her. You understand? So there are some things that when they send to you, you ignore. You must not utilize. Even the noodles pictures that that she released at last, let me tell you, they sent those pictures to me. But I looked at it and said, why should I release my fellow women's noodles online? For what? What will I be gaining? Why should I even open a platform to be sending people or to release? They sent it to me. The noodles are still with me. Some people can go to extra mile. Somebody I don't know sent all those noodles to me, saying this person that said her name is this. See what she did. See what she did. They were sending. I was like, what am I supposed to be doing with all these things? What am I supposed to be doing with them? You understand? So when people are pushing you, you just know your limits. When they are pushing you, you yourself should know your limits. You came down, now they don't arrest you. All those people don't run. Even to defend you openly, now they know fits. This country is tough. You guys to be very wise. I swear to God, everybody must be very wise. Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video. Thank you and God bless you.